Once upon a time in a sweet and colorful world known as the Candy Kingdom, all sorts of delicious treats lived in harmony. There were gummy bears, chocolate bars, lollipops, and cupcakes of every kind. Among them lived a tiny shimmery cupcake named Sprinkle. Now, Sprinkle wasn't just any cupcake. He had a heart full of dreams, and a frosting swirled with courage. Every night, Sprinkle gazed at the twinkling candy stars, wishing to become a hero. His friends often chuckled at his dreams, saying, "Heroic deeds are not for cupcakes." But Sprinkle believed deep down that even the smallest cupcake could make the biggest difference. One sunny day, a shadow loomed over Candy Kingdom. It was a monstrous lemon, sourer than an unripe pineapple, rolling in fury and threatening to turn everything bittersweet. The once sugary atmosphere turned into bouts of fear and worry. The Jawbreaker Knights tried their best to defeat the mischievous lemon monster, but their strength seemed useless against its zesty wrath. Sprinkle watched from afar, his little heart pounding. He knew the kingdom needed help, and maybe, just maybe, this was his chance to be the hero he'd always dreamed of. With all his courage packed in his cherry heart, Sprinkle summoned up all his frosting brave and stepped forward. He yelled with all his might, "Stop right there, lemon monster! You shall not sour our sweet home." The lemon monster spun around, its eyes widening at the sight of the tiny cupcake. Sprinkle remembered something important. Every sweet has its opposite, and the greatest weakness of sour was sweet. He bravely dashed forward, using his sugary words. "Sour may be strong, but only sweetness holds the strength to render it powerless." With each word, Sprinkle's sweet fragrance infused the air, slowly taming the lemon's sour presence. The lemon monster began to shrink until it turned into a harmless little lemon drop. The entire Candy Kingdom cheered for their new hero Sprinkle. The Jawbreaker Knights bowed in respect. Sprinkle realized that dreams can come true when you've got enough courage to sprinkle on top. From that day on, Sprinkle was known as the bravest little cupcake in the Candy Kingdom, and he taught everyone that no matter how small you are, you can always be brave and make a big difference.